Plagiarism is the practice of taking someone else's work or ideas and passing it off as one's own. Here are 7 limericks I wrote and illustrated to stimulate students' thinking about plagiarism.
My poetry teacher admitted that borrowing can be permitted. Some careful reuse that keeps likenesses loose leads to poems that are cleverly knitted. A rose is a rose is a rose. A keen botanist might compose. But wait, that's been said by someone who's dead. Be careful, don't step on her toes.
I once knew an idea kidnapper, whose writing seemed splendid and dapper. Then a close inspection caused the detection that he was a sham and word sapper.
John Lennon purportedly said, "Many songs lived inside of his head. There, a Beatles hit single sometimes would mingle. Hence, no melody can be purebred."
The computer helps writers make haste. In a second they can cut and paste. As words are a-flying, Shakespeare is crying, for the real author's words get defaced.
Child, you must include a citation. Quoted words need representation. So says my advisor, who thinks it not wiser for ethics to take a vacation.
I told you never to do it again! I told you!
With a term paper duel, I was stuck. Here's one by a friend. What good luck! Good luck turned to bad. I lost all that I had and was kicked out of school. What the?